church of St Bees behind me, which we visited briefly the other day. When they were doing repairs in 1981, they discovered the remains of a very well preserved body. After a bit of investigation, they deemed this to be the body of Anthony de Lucy, a 1300s knight who went to Lithuania as part of the Crusades and was probably killed. His body was so well preserved they could put a cause of death down to basically a punctured lung that was injured to his side. Either this was in battle or in jousting, but more likely to be in jousting. His shroud and bits of his hair and his skin were fully intact, having been protected by a lead-lined coffin. They found a female body behind him, which was deemed to be Maud de Lucy, which was his sister. The Lucy name had been given and lost 4 times due to a lack of succession, and he was the very last one, Lucy de Lucy of Cockington, and the name after that died out. But it's all very interesting. We will go and have a look and talk about St Bega, who was the Irish princess who came to this place and asked for the monastery and everything to be built originally. And we'll talk about her when we get to her monument.
Is a statue to St Bega, who was the person who St Bees is named after, and she was an Irish princess, and she was due to have an arranged marriage to the Prince of Norway, the son of the King of Norway, and she wasn't having any of it, so she ran away in a boat and was washed up here. And it was here that she did good works for the people, and also lived as a hermit. And so after she landed, she asked the Lord of Egremont if she could have some land to build a nunnery. And he laughingly said, "You can have any land that is covered by snow tomorrow being Midsummer's Day." And the miracle was that it snowed, so the nunnery, the priory, was built here.